Hello everyone and welcome back to the Dog and Partridge, a place of open fine craft ales. If you haven't met him before, it's the world famous elbow smashing Alan Partridge.
I'm trying to introduce myself here, bro. It's my world famous non-smashing his elbow brother Dave Partridge.
Hello everyone.
Hey everyone. Oh, bugger.
What you need there, bro?
Corner off this bar, don't you?
What you need there, bro, is a beer to ease that pain.
It is. It's exactly what I need. Right.
Yes, well, we're back again to review some beers. That's what we do. We've got some new beer kits coming your way, and we've got them made here on the bar for you to try, bro.
Are we diving straight in, bro?
Yeah, we can do, unless you want to say something first.
No, I'll say I've hurt my elbow, but that's about it, really. Great start of the video, that one, wasn't it? Where are we starting, bro?
We are starting from those guys at Muntons. Now, you may remember they released some new kits. This is the last one I think we've got in their range. This is the American...
An amber ale. Malty toffee hoppy.
Yes.
It comes in one of these nice recyclable boxes that we've got used to here.
You see that one's got a little bit wet where I've been storing it?
It's a little bit damp. We've got brews, 35 pints, approximately 4.5%. Tells you all the ingredients on the side. Oh, Cascade and Sentinel.
Cascade and Sentinel.
Yes. Premium hot pellets. Floral with elements of citrus notes and grapefruit. Earthy and floral with an element of citrus. There you go then.
There you go then. Now, we did a brew, I don't know if you remember it, bro, from Gitter Brew.
Right.
Called Amber Gambler. It was an American amber ale, wasn't it?
Yes.
I really liked it, you didn't.
Yes.
So I think this one may divide us as well.
Oh.
It looks alright, doesn't it?
It's amber.
It's amber.
Which is what it says on the packaging.
Yeah.
So, I am getting malty.
Oh yeah, I am getting malty.
But also,
in the background,
slightly citrusy.
Slightly citrusy, yeah.
Well, so far, it's doing what packaging says.
And there's a good creamy white head there.
It smells quite nice, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
We're winning.
Yeah, cheers, go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh.
No, I really like that.
I like that.
There's toffee and then there's a caramel note, but then it's dried off at
the
end with those dry hops, isn't it? That Sentinel, did you say it's got in there?
Yeah, that's lovely.
Yeah, it's lovely.
That's a nice session bit, that.
Good mouthful feel to it as well, isn't they? Yeah.
Oh, you know what, Muntons? Well done with that one again.
The AZ's on our leaderboard of the 12 beer kits of Partridge. We've not been that impressed with the rest of the range,
but this one,
that one,
I could drink a lot of that.
I reckon that's lovely.
That's fantastic.
What percentage does it say it's on the box?
It's 4.5%.
Yeah, that's what I thought. 4.5%. You don't really get past 4.5% with two tins, no. Unless you start adding sugar. And I think it's better like that, don't you?
It's a very quaffable session beer, isn't it?
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, that's all. Cheers.
Yeah.
I'm going straight in with a 10 out of 10, bro.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 for me. Will it make it onto the board?
Dun, dun, dun. Well, this is a thing, isn't it?
It could do.
Because I've had a little change to the board while you've been...
Hello, he's been messing with the board while I'm not about. Well, I've been out banging the elbow.
If you can see, I've actually replaced the Summer Glory from Festival with their American IPA. Now, everybody, we had a party on Saturday night, and everybody who drunk the American IPA thought it was actually brilliant.
Yes.
Because I'd actually turned my chiller off and it gone up in temperature just a little bit.
Yes.
And you can taste the flavours a lot.
Yes. Yeah.
Also, the Citra from Dark Rock.
Yes.
Good people tried that, said that was should be better placed up, but I haven't done that yet.
Yeah. I'll be with you actually. That Citra probably needs to move up that board.
Yeah.
Because I was too at this party and I did partake in quite a bit of the Citra.
I think we should swap in with the Razorback.
Maybe the Razorback.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Now, getting back to the Hoppy, not the Hoppy, the American
Amber. Ooh, now then.
Do you think it'll be in 2 or 3, or do you think it'll be on the list but further down?
I think on the list but further down.
Right
Somewhere maybe around where the Young's American IPA is.
Yeah?
I'm thinking.
I reckon the Mocha Porter.
Well, sorry we're having this discussion on camera again. Do we move that Citra so far up, you know, so like maybe 2 or 3?
Yes.
And then bring this one in down there somewhere?
I reckon so.
Yeah, I reckon so.
Yeah. Stay tuned for next time and we'll make our decision.
We've got 2 spots left on the board. Ryan.
Yeah, definitely a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Beer. I recommend that one from the range. That and the 80 Days.
Lovely jubbly.
The others
weren't necessarily to our taste, were they?
No.
Let's put it like that. Yeah.
Especially the stout.
Yeah, especially
Talking of stouts.
It's not being rude, bro.
Guess what we got coming next, bro?
I'm guessing it's a stout. If it's not, you've been rude.
It's a Guinness tribute from
This is
Malt Miller.
Malt Miller, isn't it?
Yeah.
So this is a full grain kit, so hence I've got no packaging.
No.
Full grain Guinness, a replica.
Yeah, more or less.
What? That's
Tribute to Dublin Stout, I think it says on their website. But we don't know.
holy moly!
And this is actually a fairly decently priced 19-litre kit.
Okay.
Does come with liquid yeast again.
Oh, liquid yeast again.
I think it's Dublin yeast as well, or something like that.
Missus.
Or
It's got a nice velvety sort of like revolve when you spin it around in your glass. That's got some nice.
Now the thing is, obviously I do serve this through a Guinness tap. It does have a cream on it. Yeah. Now remember, if this is a little creamy, I just want to see if you can take that to the camera, bro, in between your fingers like that, and see if you can just.
Right. This is a what?
Creamer.
Right. Okay. It's tiny. It's more or less like a 5p. Or just slightly smaller, actually.
And just the holes in it are really small.
I don't think we're going to see them on camera.
No.
There's some really teeny tiny little holes in the bottom of that.
And I think that's what makes my beer really creamy, because I went round to my brewmates the other day, and he's got creamier, but he had big holes in it.
Okay.
And it wasn't creamy.
Creamy. Okay. Right. Anyway, on to the beer.
On to the beer.
So I'm getting, yeah, exactly.
How much chocolate's in there?
That's chocolate, burnt, sort of like heavy. Oh, this is going to be like Christmas pudding, this, isn't it?
Yes. We're going in.
Here we go in. What do you think to the sniff of that?
I think there's a good, strong malt there, flavour to it. The burnt roast of the barley.
You get the burnt roast, definitely.
And definitely like dark chocolate smells coming through as well, and coffee, all together in there, basically.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Dear Lord.
Oh my life, that's cracking. Oh.
I know what some people were saying about stout though. Maybe, you can argue with me here, a stout should be a little bit sweeter. Do you not think? He doesn't think. No. I mean, it's a lovely drink, don't get me wrong. But for me, I'm looking for that little bit more sweetness to it.
Anyway, he's wrong.
It's a lovely drink.
Actually, to be fair, I think it's a bit drier than Guinness. I think you are right in what you're saying. I think the burnt barley flavour, the roastedness just takes over just that little bit too much compared to what it is in Guinness.
Yeah.
And these are real, probably a lot drier aftertaste.
Yeah, there's certainly a heavy roast flavour to it, isn't there? Sort of thing, which is nice. Don't get me wrong. It's not a horrible thing. It's a lovely drink, and it's smooth. It's velvety. It's what you want.
That's what I want.
That's what he wants. I think he's found it. I can't argue with it, bro. I think it's going to have to be a 10 out of 10.
It's definitely a 10 out of 10. I don't think it's exactly a replica of the
of Guinness.
No,
I think Guinness is. I know you disagree with me slightly here. It is a little bit more sweeter and probably not quite so roasted.
Now they do say in the instructions you can take some of the wort away, mix it with something, re-ferment it in the fridge with something else, blah blah, to give it a bit more of a Guinness twang.
Couldn't be bothered.
Couldn't be bothered.
No. Sounds like a lot of clap.
Yeah.
Right, lovely. 2 10 out of 10s. I'm liking this so far.
Yes, definitely. 2 10 out of 10s. Can we go for a third one?
A third one. So, what's next then, bro?
Well, guess where we're going now, bro?
Oh, it's our mates back again, aren't they?
Yeah, back to Poland.
Gozdawa. Or Gozdawa. Or whatever. Apparently, we're on the way back to Poland. So, here we go then. Gozdawa, American West Coast. American West Coast what?
I would have said IPA.
I would have said IPA, but it doesn't say that on the packaging, bro.
Doesn't translate very well. So, I couldn't get it on there, to be fair.
Well, there is that. It comes in a nice recyclable box. We've got Gozdawa, American West Coast, 23 litres.
Yeah, so you get 2 tins in there. You do get some free gratis hops, as it says on the front.
It seems to say this on the last one, which is the gratis hops, doesn't it? Yeah. Also, as per the last one, I can't see any ABV on there.
No. But again, I don't think you get past 4.5% with 2 tins, unless you start adding sugar.
Okie dokie. Right.
Now, you may remember last time we did the English IPA. Now, let's just go back to our scoring, bro, because I did get a little bit of people say your scores are too high for a bad beer.
Okay.
So, right, 10 out of 10, as I see it, is an A+.
Yeah, it's a good beer.
It's a good beer.
It's a good beer that you go back to the bar and buy another one of.
And 9 out of 10 to me is a
A.
It's a good beer, drinkable beer. People have took the time and effort to make it. You can taste that, but I don't know if I'll do it again.
Yeah.
8 out of 10 is...
It's okay. I drink it, you know, it's not bad.
I drink it.
I think you're right. And when we're getting down to 6 or 7 for us is a bad mark.
It's a bad mark, but with that English IPA, I said a 7 out of 10 and pulled some bad faces. I tried it again later on. It did improve, but I'd still stick with 7 out of 10. Because A, it wasn't a good beer by a long way, so it was an 8, 9 or a 10.
Yeah.
But 7 was a fair mark because it was still drinkable.
Okay. And also what you've got to remember is these are our personal opinions. That beer might have been somebody's favourite beer.
There you go.
You never know.
Like my neighbour come round and devour that because he likes Newcastle Brown.
He likes Newcastle Brown, so it suited his taste palette. So we've got to be we're trying to be as fair as we can, don't we?
Yeah.
It's very rare we'll get below a 4 or a 5. If it's a 4 or a 5, it's a poor awayer, basically, isn't it? Yeah, it's dancing. Anyway, on to the Gozdawa. IPA.
Keeping that in mind.
Oh. What am I expecting here?
Yeah. I think you're going to be...
It's not a lot of nose.
There's not a lot of nose. And you do get some hops there to add, and they're not coming through at all, really. You're just getting some bit of malt there.
Bit of malt.
But no really punch of...
Right. I'm going in.
You're going in.
Cheers.
Do you not like that? I think you've been harsh.
I'm being harsh then.
I quite like that. I think that's a massive improvement on that English IPA.
Yeah, it's got a funny taste though, bro.
It has a little bit, hasn't it?
And you're going to really, it's going to slap me in the face when I say this. It reminds me of bubblegum.
Now you laugh, but some hops can do that. You do get like some of the Belgian beers that taste of bubblegum.
A sugary, sweet sort of taste to it. Do you not think?
See what you're saying about the slight bubblegum?
Yes, I mean it's not a smack of bubblegum, don't get me wrong, but is that sort of hint of
I think the sweetness is coming from the hops that's kind of like trying to give it that stone fruit flavour you'd expect from a West Coast IPA, but it's not quite getting that.
That's why I'm getting mixed up, because it's a combination of, like you say, fruit sort of flavour and that's why I'm getting that sweet bubblegum sort of taste to it. It's not bad.
It's not bad, is it?
It's not excellent.
No. So this is where our scoring goes. It's definitely not a 10 out of 10.
No.
It's not a 9 out of 10. But I reckon...
But I could drink it.
I could drink that.
I could drink a pint of it quite happily.
And it's a definitely improvement on the English IPA.
And the more slips I have of it, the more powerful it seems to be.
I don't reckon there's anything wrong with that.
So on our scoring system, it's not a 10, it's not a 9. I'm going to struggle to give it an 8, I think, maybe.
Well, it's not as bad as that English IPA, is it, the other way? I'm definitely a firm 8.
Because I want to keep my position in the DMP, I'm going to join my brother on an 8. I don't want him booting me out, do I?
You don't, what's that? You don't want to be barred for the rest of your life, do you?
So, what's he
We've got a 4th beer in the
from the fridge. I was about to go to the next list for the next video.
No, don't do that yet, sir. We've got a live beer tasting to do.
Oh, hello.
Right, so I've been sent a beer from the shores of Northern Ireland.
Oh, I'm okay.
By a friendly chap called Stephen Bradley, I think his name is.
Hello, Stephen in Northern Ireland.
Now, can you see what the name of the beer is?
Oh, you see, I took my specs off because I thought we'd finished there. There we go then. So, this guy needs a beer.
Too much, it'll be bottle conditioned.
Queen's Park Brewery.
Yeah.
Armpit IPA.
Armpit IPA. I can't open the bottle though. I'm live on TV. I can't open the bottle.
Oh, it's going.
Good lad. Look, his guns are bigger than mine.
It's just great. I know he's struggling with grit.
This is a recipe. This has got beer mail basically. This is a recipe that he's come up with himself.
I'll let you pour that.
But he has shared the recipe on Malt Miller.
Okay.
So now we've got to decide whether we're going to try it.
Full grain.
Full grain. So it's a
full grain,
recipe.
and it's his own recipe.
And it's all his details on Malt Miller, how he mashed it, how long for, when he added the hops, how he mashed out, etc.
Okie dokie.
He says that all his friends like it, and this is completely live. We've not tasted it.
So this is an Armpit IPA. He hasn't got a percentage on there.
Nope.
There you go. I'll have the early glass because I banged me about.
And I did say if he shared it on Malt Miller, if we really liked it, we would do it.
I'm going to like this.
That's how it's there.
Oh.
A lot of citrus notes going there. We can definitely smell the hops in this one.
Oh, that smells fab.
Doesn't it?
To me, that is what an IPA should smell like.
Yeah.
Personally.
Yeah.
Zesty, fruity. I can already tell there's some citra hops in there. I don't know what else is in it, but there's definitely some citra in there somewhere. A little bit cloudy, but that's probably due to us. Probably we're shaking the bottle a little bit, but
yeah.
Right, I'm going in, bro.
Okay, cheers. I reckon he's hitting the nail on the head there, don't you?
That's not bad, is it?
Oh, that's not bad. That reminds me of something else, actually, to be fair. I can't think what.
A little bit ghostshipy.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
A little bit, yeah. That's a cracking beer.
That's a cracking beer.
Well
10
done,
out of 10. Well done.
Well done, that man. That's
well done. I reckon that would be even better without the fizz. Through the Guinness hand pump or something like that.
That would be lovely.
That would be lovely.
Well, I'm quite liking with a little bit of fizz. That's all right.
Yeah. I'm not a very fizzy person, really.
Not usually, but that's very nice. Quite refreshing.
Some good flavours going on in there. Lemon, zesty, fruity. Yeah, cracking.
Fantastic.
I'm glad you sent me 2 bottles. I'll have the other one later.
You can have the other one later. Right.
Well done. Thank you very much for that, Stephen. That's great.
Okay.
If anybody else wants to send us some email and share their recipe.
Yeah, send us some beer. Send us some beer. We don't care.
Try it. Definitely. That is cracking.
That's cracking beer. Yeah. Well done with that recipe. So that's on...
It's now on Malt Miller.
Malt Miller. Okay.
Yeah. He did say he was waiting approval the other day. Look for Armpit IPA.
I recommend that. That's a cracking bit of that. So, next time, in the D&P, we have Mangrove Jack's Mango IPA.
Mango IPA. Now, I did tell people to stop putting bloody mango in beer, and then Mango Jack's go and release a kit. Well, guess what? Mango in it.
Mango in it. Anyway. Excuse the rant. Dark Rock Hobby Days.
Yep. Another one of those one kit session series things you had the beer and answer to.
And another Mangrove Jack's Irish Stout.
Yes.
Lovely jubbly.
I don't know if I've done that one before, but it came up and I thought, well, I'd give it a go.
I think the beers have got to us. We've had too many tonight. Well, it's been a cracking night in the D&P.
It has been a cracking night. So 3 10s and 1 solid 8 out.
It's a solid 8 from me. Is that about it for tonight?
I think that's about it. Thank you to all our YouTube subscribers for watching our channel. It's very much appreciated. If you do get a chance and you are watching on Facebook, please nip over to YouTube. Please subscribe. Yeah. And all the comments are greatly appreciated.
Oh, the comments are great. We always read the comments, so yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much indeed. Yeah. Until next time.
Oh, glass.
Oh,
glass, bro.
Glass, bro.
Glass, bro.
Until next time.
Until next time. To the Queen.
To the Queen.
Huzzah.
Huzzah.
It's a long night.
You had too much.